1 in every 10 women suffers with a condition called endometriosis, and most people don't even know about this. Endometriosis is a chronic inflammatory disease of the uterus where uterine lining will start growing outside of the uterus near the fallopian tube, bladder, or even intestines. And despite being so common, it takes 7 to 10 years for it to be diagnosed. Why? Because so many people suffer with period pain. So when a woman with endometriosis says she has period pain, it's severely underestimated. To give you a silly example, let's say two people were in an accident, both have bruising of the hand, but one person has a fracture. We think that both of them have equal amounts of pain, although the person who has a fracture will have significantly more pain. And even when diagnosed, women are often handed a lifelong list of prescriptions, hormonal pills, IUDs, or laparoscopic surgeries with no promise of cure. Many don't even feel better and they're just so done with their lives. The pain is not just physical, it robs women of their careers, their relationships, their ability to enjoy intimacy, and it's a pain that comes every month and lasts for several days at a stretch. Science still doesn't fully understand what causes endometriosis. If it were a disease of the men, we would have had millions of dollars in funding. Anyways, what we do know is that it involves estrogen dominance, dysregulation, chronic inflammation, and sometimes even nerve involvement, leading to widespread pain. And it's not just cramps, it's a systemic disorder, and it needs to be taken seriously. If someone you love has endometriosis, listen to her, believe her, and stand by her. It's the least that you can do. If you have endometriosis, I see you, your pain is real, and your struggle is very much valid. This post is to bring awareness to the invisible suffering of so many women. It's a very small effort on my part as a woman and a holistic doctor. I've compiled a list of things that can help you in some ways if you have endometriosis. So do feel free to reach out to me.